Hi, it's Mr. Doric, and this website review is on restricted apparel. Here's the homepage. Check it out. It's the flyest clothing line in the game. Straight out of New Rochelle. We got that urban swag on lock with dope graphics, sick patterns, and top-notch materials. I can vouch for that. I just bought the sweatsuit, so I got the bundle right here for 100. Very thick, very warm. You'll love the quality. Looks great. And then I also purchased a beanie for $12. I don't see it on the website, but I'm sure this entrepreneur will add the beanie to the website. We are so lucky because this is a student in our school. So tomorrow we're having a showcase. Bring your cash and let's support this entrepreneur. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.